Hey guys, it's Joseph from BlackboxMyCar. Now for today's video, we're going to be walking you through the first steps on what to do after getting your dashcam from us. This video is geared towards our first-time customers. We totally get it. It can be an overwhelming experience with tech. This is going to serve as a guide to help you better understand your purchase and make sure you have everything you need for a great experience. Now sit back and relax. We're going to make this short and easy. 30-day return policy. We think that a dashcam is a valuable asset for your driving safety, and we're extremely happy that we get to protect y'all with our dashcams. We know that there can be times where external factors during the shipping process can affect the dashcam, or there might have been some issues which we had absolutely no control over, as we make sure to keep the factory seal on all of our items. But no worries, because now's the time to check on it and let us know if there are any issues. We're dedicated to assuring quality with a comprehensive dead on arrival policy, so give us a call or through email if there are any issues. On the other hand though, there are going to be instances where our customers, for whatever reason, don't get the chance to open and check the dashcam from the box as soon as they receive it, which prevents them from being eligible for a return within the 30-day window if they're unhappy with it. Don't do this. Please check it as soon as it arrives, and feel free to play around with the unit and test it to your heart's content. It's not going to invalidate the return window. We don't want that to happen, and we want to make sure that, like us, you are 100% satisfied with your purchase. So even if you're going to install the camera a while from now, follow along and let's show you what your new dashcam is capable of. So what's inside the box? As soon as you receive the package, the first thing to do is to unbox it so you can check on the unit as early as possible. Open the box and take a look at the unit. It's usually sealed or covered with a thin plastic sheet, especially for the lens. Examine the dashcam for any visible damage or defects, and if you find anything, let us know. In the box, whatever brand your dashcam is, it must have a user manual where you can also double check the list of items that come standard in the box. Mounts, adhesives, power cables, MicroSD cards, and secondary cameras for dual and triple channel dashcams. Most commonly, the accessories are stored at the bottom of the box, so make sure you pull all the tabs to find everything and shake it out if need be. If you think your package is complete, then you're all set to test the unit itself. Is it powering up? Now, the most important thing here is checking if the dashcam is working. We want to make sure that the product is not defective, so checking the power is a must. When you're turning on the dashcam, an LED light or sound will notify you that your dashcam is turned on.
Please have a safe drive today.
Remember, your dashcam must have a constant power source for it to run and record. We recommend connecting your camera with the included 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter in your vehicle for starters, for an easy plug-and-play connection. Going back to checking the power, if your dashcam has a screen, super easy for you to know if it's working, right? If it doesn't have a screen, it will come with a smartphone app, which we'll touch upon later. The MicroSD card. Next thing you should check is the MicroSD card. This tiny thing does big things for your dashcam. Without a MicroSD card, it won't be able to record footage, meaning you won't be able to download the video as well. Make sure your SD card is not faulty and it's compatible. Try putting the SD card in and see how the dashcam reacts. Some third-party SD cards will have issues. We recommend the SanDisk Ultra A1 or Samsung Evo cards, and we do carry them on our website. Check that out in the links below. When inserting the memory card into the slot, make sure the SD card is facing the right way. If it's not fitting in, don't force it, and try flipping the card the other way. Insert it into the slot until you hear a click. To release the card later, just press it a bit and it will pop out. It's spring-loaded. We do recommend formatting the SD card at least once every 30 days to help with the health of the card. Wi-Fi connectivity. Now let's go to connectivity. Dashcams that are paired with a dedicated smartphone app are Wi-Fi enabled. Wi-Fi in dashcams doesn't necessarily mean having built-in internet. It's more for pairing and connectivity, similar to what Bluetooth does. Like the power button, many modern dashcams also have a dedicated button or menu option to activate the Wi-Fi mode. Look for a Wi-Fi icon or Wi-Fi label on the dashcam's display or controls. Some models will have Wi-Fi on by default instead. And once the Wi-Fi mode is activated on your dashcam, it will create its own Wi-Fi network. On your smartphone, go to the Wi-Fi settings and look for the dashcam's network ID. It is usually mentioned in the user manual or on a sticker on your dashcam. You can also find the password there. After the connection is established, you should be able to see a live feed from your dashcam's camera on your smartphone screen through the app. Additionally, you will have access to various settings, video playback, and other features depending on the capabilities of your dashcam. Now, how does the footage look like? Next thing we're going to dive into is the dashcam's video capabilities. We want to make sure that it's recording and also clear and focused. Your dashcam's lens serve as your eyes on the road, so you want to make sure that it has a 20/20 vision. Make sure that the lens are focused and none of the objects in its visions are blurry. Try out a few different angles to make sure it's not just your windshield's angle. Looking from the outside, make sure the camera lens are clear. No cracks, condensation, smudging, or anything that might affect your dashcam's view. Now, to see if your dashcam is recording, you can check your dashcam screen or the dedicated smartphone app and check the live view footage. There is also a notification, either an LED light or voice prompt that should inform you that the dashcam is also recording. Again, this varies depending on the dashcam brand, but there is always a way to inform you that it's recording. Rundown. So those are the first steps for when your dashcam arrives. Check the hardware, the MicroSD card, connectivity, and check the app and the footage itself. If you find something wrong in any of the steps mentioned, feel free to contact us immediately and not waiting past those 30 days after you receive the products. And if you don't find anything wrong, then it's time to install the dashcam to your car and drive all the way with peace of mind. Our support team is always available to help out our customers, so feel free to call us during our store hours or send us an email. We try to get back to all email inquiries in 1 business days. So that ends our checklist. Aside from our 30-day policy, our dashcams, SD cards, and battery packs also have a 1-year limited warranty. As North America's largest dashcam retailer, we make sure that all our customers will experience a satisfying and safe ownership experience. Lastly, we'd like to give a special shout out to our dashcam bros from dashcamtalk.com, Chuck aka Panzer Platform, and Ariel aka Vortex Radar, for giving us the idea to share this info with you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something from today, and we can't wait for you to have the most convenient and worry-free dashcam experience ever. Shopping again? Use exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout and enjoy 5% off from us. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button on your way out. See you guys later.